Oh, hello, boys and girls. It's Reagan, the mad scientist. I have a fun experiment today. I'm so glad you could join me. Today we're going to be making Dragon's Toothpaste, and you can do it with some simple items that you have at your house. Be sure to put your mad scientist gloves on for the utmost safety, of course, and be sure to have your goggles for extra layer of safety, because we don't know what's going to happen when we do our crazy mad experiment. So let's get started, shall we? First off, all you need is a little bit of dishwasher soap, some water, some hydrogen peroxide, and last but not least, some yeast. And to really make it fun, let's get some food coloring. I've got blue, and I've got red. That makes it even more fun, as you can see from my deadly potions I am making, red and blue. We are going to activate our yeast by putting hot water in it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm pouring hot water. There we go. We're going to activate it. Make sure you have something to stir it with. The hot water moving around in the yeast. Stir it up fresh. There we go. All right. Are you having fun yet, minions? All right. And let's add some magical coloring. I got red here. Let's make it more mad scientist-ish. Oh, yes. It's alive! I've always wanted to say that. All right. I've got my red concoction stirred good. I'm going to make a second one, just so we can do that one as well. Let's see the difference. Is our solid here? We have a little bit of water in there. Stir it up. There you go. Let's add some blue. Blue color this one. And we have our blue concoctions. That's our red one. So we have our blue and our red. Let's get started. It's time. Let's start with our tall beaker here. I'm going to put in a little bit of soap with our hydrogen peroxide. You only need a little bit. And here we go. I poured a little bit of soap in our beaker with our hydrogen peroxide. It's now time for our first test. Let's go with the red one. Are you ready? Are you watching? Here we go. We're mixing our hot water and yeast with our hydrogen peroxide and dishwasher soap. Let's see what happens. Oh, just a little bit. It's just a little bit. Oh, it's almost to the top. It's almost. Wow, look at that. Dragon's Toothpaste. Awesome. Look at that. So let's try a little bit more. Okay, let's see what happens when we mix more, because more is always better in science. All right. Let's see here. We'll start with our little one first, just for fun. Oh yeah, look at that. Dragon's Toothpaste. It's starting to foam. Oh yes. So here's a lot of hydrogen peroxide. So I'm going to, this is going to be our bigger one. I'm going to mix some dishwasher soap with this first. Okay, we've got a lot of dishwasher soap mixed with our hydrogen peroxide. And for just extra layer of safety, it's time for some goggles, because we don't know what's going to happen here. All right, guys, are you ready? Hydrogen peroxide, and let's use our blue mix. Here we go, real quick. Oh my goodness, look at that one. Way quicker, way faster, way cooler. And it's warm. I can feel that warm water. Boys and girls, wait, there's more. Stick around for after this video, and I will show you how I did more experiments with Dragon's Toothpaste and made it even bigger and even better. Stick around. What are you waiting around for? Get out of here! Go let your imaginations run wild.